The P2096 diagnostic trouble code indicates a post-catalyst fuel trim too lean condition in bank 1 of your vehicle's engine. This means the downstream oxygen sensor, located after the catalytic converter, is detecting an excessive amount of oxygen relative to fuel. The downstream oxygen sensor is positioned after the catalytic converter in the exhaust system. Its primary job is to monitor the efficiency of the catalytic converter by measuring oxygen levels in the exhaust gases after they've been processed. The engine control module continuously monitors the downstream oxygen sensor to ensure the catalytic converter is efficiently reducing emissions. When the sensor detects a lean condition, the ECM attempts to compensate by adding more fuel. P2096 is triggered when the ECM's fuel adjustments reach their limit, trying to correct a lean condition. A lean mixture contains too much air relative to fuel, causing the downstream oxygen sensor to detect excessive oxygen levels. Several factors can cause P2096 codes. The most common include a faulty downstream oxygen sensor, vacuum leaks allowing unmetered air into the system, fuel delivery problems, dirty mass airflow sensors, and intake manifold leaks. Modern diagnostic tools provide real-time fuel trim data to help pinpoint P2096 problems. Enhanced OBD2 scanners, mobile diagnostic apps, and predictive diagnostic systems make it easier to identify the root cause before replacing expensive components unnecessarily. Understanding P2096 is crucial for proper diagnosis. Remember, this code specifically indicates the downstream oxygen sensor is detecting a lean condition after the catalytic converter, and systematic diagnosis is essential to identify the true root cause. The first step in diagnosing a P2096 code is analyzing fuel trim data using an OBD2 scanner. This reveals how the engine control module is compensating for the lean condition. Next, test for vacuum leaks, which are a common cause of lean conditions. Use a smoke leak detector to pressurize the intake system and visually identify any leaks. Test the oxygen sensors, particularly the downstream sensor after the catalytic converter. This sensor should show stable voltage readings between 0.1 and 0.9 volts. Check fuel pressure and volume to rule out fuel delivery issues. Low fuel pressure can cause lean conditions that trigger the P2096 code. Based on diagnostic results, common fixes include replacing the downstream oxygen sensor, cleaning the mass airflow sensor, repairing vacuum leaks, or replacing the catalytic converter. After completing repairs, always verify the fix by clearing the diagnostic code and monitoring fuel trim data. The lean condition should be resolved, and fuel trim values should return to normal range.